Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Clockify guide for 2026, I'll show you how to track time with Clockify. Whether you're a freelancer, remote worker, student, business owner, or project manager, Clockify makes it easy to record work hours, monitor productivity, and keep track of your daily activities. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Clockify account and open your workspace. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see the time tracker interface, which is the main tool used for recording time. Before starting the timer, enter a description of the task you're about to work on. This could be something like video editing, client communication, project planning, content creation, or any other activity you want to track. Next, select a project if you've already created one. Assigning time entries to projects helps keep your work organized and makes reporting much easier later on. You can also add tags or categories if your workspace uses them. Tags help you group related activities and analyze your time more effectively throughout the day. This helps ensure your reports remain accurate and gives you a clearer picture of how your time is being spent. And that's how to track time with Clockify. By using timers, projects, tags, timesheets, and reports, you can accurately monitor your work hours and improve your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.